Expected by millions of iPhone SE 2 will become a reality in January. The novelty will go on sale a little later. Judging by the numerous leaks, the probability of launching the iPhone SE 2 in the first half of next year is becoming higher. Guoming Hao, a well-known analyst at Tianfeng Securities, said in a recent statement that the iPhone SE 2 will be launched in January next year. In addition, the same specialist has information that he announced that the iPhone SE 2 will be on store shelves in late March 2020. Expected by millions of iPhone SE 2 will become a reality in January. The novelty will receive the hardware base of the iPhone 11, and more precisely, the single-chip Apple A13 Bionic system, which will work in conjunction with 3 GB of RAM. Presumably, the iPhone SE 2 will be equipped with a 4.7-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1334 x 750 pixels. Externally, the smartphone will be very similar to the iPhone 8, just as the original iPhone SE used to copy the iPhone 5's. iPhone SE 2 will come in 3 colors: silver, space gray and red, as well as in 2 versions with 64 and 128 GB of flash memory. iPhone SE 2 will not support 3D Touch functionality. According to analysts, Apple will sell more than 30 million iPhone SE 2 phones in 2020 at a price of $399.